Worried about letting someone else pick out the perfect avocado for your perfect impress them on the third date guacamole? Well, good thing Instacart shoppers are as picky as you are. They find ripe avocados like it's their guac on the line. They are milk expiration date detectives. They bag eggs like the 12 precious pieces of cargo they are. So let Instacart shoppers overthink your groceries so that you can overthink what you'll wear on that third date. Download the Instacart app to get free delivery on your first 3 orders while supplies last. Minimum $10 per order. Additional terms apply.
He tended to the plantations, gardening day in and day out. It was tiring, but he secretly worked on one of his best ideas. And today, we're absolutely nuts about it. This is 2-Minute Black History, what you didn't learn in school. The holidays wouldn't be the same without pecans. We have one man to thank for their popularity. Meet Antoine. He was a talented gardener enslaved on Louisiana's Oak Alley plantation. Antoine's skills were out of this world. He developed a method of cultivating individual pecan trees that no one had ever done before. Antoine's grafting technique allowed him to create offspring matching the parent plant's characteristics. This type of uniformity is necessary for growing commercial crops. And it wasn't easy work. Many before him tried to produce pecan trees but failed. Antoine figured it out and became known as a master of plants. Of course, he didn't get his flowers while he was alive. Someone copied his technique and the commercial pecan industry was born. Today, pecans are grown in 14 states and on every continent except Antarctica. Like Antoine, we should never be afraid to pursue our talents. We've always been dreamers, creators, artists, and cultivators. White supremacy could never stop that. In order to move towards the future, you've got to look to the past. This has been 2-Minute Black History, a podcast by Push Black. If you enjoyed this episode and want to show your support, please rate and subscribe to our podcast. Together, let's celebrate and honor the legacy of Black history.